Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do HEARTSWELL. And this is a tango by Helen Williams. And if you saw, I think it was from maybe episode 8, we did another Helen Williams tango. And so if you like any of like the heart tangles, definitely check her out. Episode 8 from her. She's got a lot of cute heart tangles. So like I said, this is a HEARTSWELL. Go ahead and write that on here. And this is going to be episode 10. So for this one, what we're going to want to draw 3 lines. So right down the middle here. In this one, you're going to notice, if you've ever done INAPOD or watched my INAPOD video of this tangle, you're going to notice it's very similar. And for this one, we're just going to do straight lines instead of the other one. I think I did it a little curved. And this is the same thing. You could do this on a curve. For this one, I'm just going to do straight lines just to make it a little bit easier. But you're going to notice the concept is very similar. And I can leave a link to INAPOD down in the description too, if that's easier for you guys to find if you want to reference that one. But what we're going to start off doing is we're going to make some heart shapes. And you can do these heart shapes any size. If you want to keep them consistent, you can. If you want to do them different sizes, you can. For this, I'm going to do it different sizes. So I just want to keep making these heart shapes down the center of this line. And for this tutorial, I'm going to do, first I'm going to do this middle line. You could go back and do the other heart shapes on these lines, but I'm going to show you the reason why I do it this way. So like INAPOD, what we want to do is we want to start from the top and come out and around. And you're going to want to do that on both sides of these, and then just go down the line. Go ahead and do this tiny one up here. And like INAPOD, you're going to want to do a bump out like around 2 or 3 per each. And for mine, I'm gonna do the 3 bump outs. So this one, I'll start up here and around. All right, so next what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna flip our card upside down. And so you're gonna notice, see how these come out? This is why I like to do this first row first and then do my second rows, because now we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do our hearts, but you're gonna notice like this big one, right? And these other ones, you're gonna want these to come out and under. So it looks like this row is up under here. All right, and we're gonna wanna do the same thing, 3 bump outs. And remember that this one you want to be in the forefront. So if you have a line, make sure it comes up under here and stop. So if we have like this one here, this one comes out, just kind of kisses that side right there. Can't really go right here, but we can get one in, squeeze one in right there. All right, and then we want to do this side, same thing. So that's HEARTSWELL. As you can see, like this one kind of pops up. If you're into shading, you know, these are great for that. You can go in and shade these to make this top one pop out a little bit more. Another fun thing with this tangle is the space where you can, you know, like INAPOD, you can have a pattern, you know, or you could even probably even do extra hearts in here, dots. You could color this in. On these outside rows, you could do little lines, you could do dots inside these, give it a little bit extra flair to it. And like I said, you could do one single line, or you could use this as a filler, kind of like this. You just keep doing multiple lines. You can either do it like this, or if you want to make your hearts first, and then go in and, you know, make each single line on each one, and then it just kind of goes into each other. That's also fun to do. So this pattern, multiple uses. That's one of the reasons why I love this one. And, you know, like I said, Helen has all sorts of fun heart patterns on her website, which I think I gave it to you guys last time, but if you haven't seen that episode, her site is alittlelime.blogspot.com. So go check her out. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time.